Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about YouTube topic and channel security tips and tricks. If you are a creator and you upload video on YouTube and you have a channel, whether you have been on YouTube for a very long time or you are new to YouTube platform, consider to stay tuned with this video and see how you can actually detect if a YouTube channel account visits you without any stress. There are so many means by which your channel can be hacked. One of them is to send you an email that allow you for a mouth-watering deal, for a mouth-watering deal that can make you fall as a victim. So in this video, I have a particular case study right there. I'm going to expose everything you need to know about some of these YouTube channel hackers and how you can stay protected to secure your YouTube channel without any stress. So if you are interested to learn about this, consider to follow me. So first thing first, I'm going to go ahead and create a new tab right here. And I'm going to go ahead and log into the YouTube channel Gmail account right here. So I'm going to go ahead and show you all the mails and how things are going on, how what exactly you need to do if you want to secure your YouTube channel from some of these channel hackers right here. So recently, I received a particular mail from one of them, and I've been receiving a countless about it in the past, and I'm going to go ahead and I decided to make a video about this so to enlighten other creators as far as this kind of people is concerned, so that you can be aware and see how you can massively protect your YouTube channel from being taken over by all these channel hackers. Okay, now I'm going to scroll down right here and go ahead and bring out the mails. All right, so take a look at, I'm going to go ahead and use this as an example. So take a look at this type of mail right here. Okay, now I'm going to start from their first mail, my response, and the next mail. So here, this is the first mail right here, and then just take a look at it. Now, when you receive a kind of suspicious mail like this, Google is going to give you a stance warning. So it is now left to you to play along and see how you can be fully protected on the internet space. If you take a look at this particular mail right here, image in this message are hidden. This message appears suspicious. Don't show the image unless you trust the sender and the message. That is the first warning that Google always give when they find out about suspicious channel hacker like this. However, if Google did not signify right here, there are ways by which you can signify and find out. Now, one of the ways to find out by yourself is that you need to make sure you work on their body of the mail URL right here. So if you take a look at the body of the mail URL right here, you can see root-adv.click. That type of URL does not exist somewhere. Now, what you need to do right here is to go ahead and do a Google search about their URL. If you cannot find anything meaningful to the URL, you have to run for your dear life. Okay. Now let's go ahead and continue with the body of the mail. So this is the body of the mail right here. Hi, hey, you can see I'm the so person from this so company. I came across your content recently, and honestly, your video are really something. Okay, so I thought I would get in touch personally rather than send some random generic email. Just release the particular product name, and I immediately thought this would suit your setup. All we would need is a quick 40-second mention in one of your upcoming videos. Totally up to you how you do it. We pay a flat fee depending on your reach. You get to keep everything we send. Hit me back, and we will go from here. Now, if you take a look at the body of the mail right here, a responsible standard organization that need a collaboration or that want to offer you something called sponsorship will never send you a mail like this. That's one thing you need to take into consideration. Another thing to take into consideration is that for every genuine mail for sponsorship or program, there is always an email signature that will be attached to that particular mail. That kind of thing can give you a kind of confidence that this is a real and this is a genuine email. And at the same time, they are going to attach their website into the body of the mail for you to do further research. So this is another red flag you need to take into consideration. Okay, now this is my response right here. I say, yeah, means do entrepreneur or whatever. Thank you for your mail. I'm writing to express my interest in the particular product name, collaboration opportunity, please to discuss. That's just my mail response to that. Now, in few days later, I received another dangerous alert, just like what you see right here from Google, telling me that this message might be dangerous. Message like this, one we are used to steal personal information. Don't click links, download attachments, or reply with personal info. This is another great warning from Google right here. Okay. So let's go ahead and scroll down right here. And this is their response. Dear creator, the quality of your work speaks for itself and it is exactly where we are reaching out. We all would like to invite you into our creator partnership program. We have worked with blah 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 blah, different kind of name, and we see the same caliber in your channel. Then these are so just their mouth-watering offer. So a partnership pick, 500 to 9,000 USD per campaign. A responsible company that wants a collaboration to offer you this kind of huge amount of money will never compose a deal like this. And this is one of their elements. This is one of the things they use to lure people into their system. Now, if you go ahead, you see extra fee for cross-platform posts and complimentary ROD device, pre-launch product access, dedicated partnership manager, full creative, blah blah blah. They will give you something that will make you calm in order to fall. Once you fall, believe me, your channel is gone. Okay, so you have to be proper, extra careful if you don't want to lose your YouTube channel. Okay, now we are not looking for a single post. We are looking for creator to grow with. Top partners get invited back for launches and stuff like this. You can imagine a company that propose a March watching of $500 to $9,000 for for a sponsorship or partnership just for a 40 seconds video, but they do not have a brand logo. So this is another thing you need to take into consideration. No brand logo or whatsoever, no email signature of whatsoever, no nothing, no product catalog, as the case may be. So you have to pay proper attention to some of the things like here. So let's go ahead and scroll down and we find out some things here. Okay, then take a look at everything is managed on Viral Nation. The agreement, all messages and payments register below, then go to client partner. So they attach a link right there. Okay, so and this is their target. Once you click on the link and you fill in your detail, believe me, within a few seconds your YouTube channel will got hacked, and that is the end. Except if you are an expert. I have seen a lot of different series about cases about this, that people lost their YouTube channel because of some of these things. And this is the end of my report and response to this particular people. And one thing about these people here is that they try to disguise, or they try to build their reputation under a well-known company so that you see that they're real, but they were not real. They are cloned information from a real company in order to believe that they are real. So you just need to pay extra careful and be cautious of anything you click on your Gmail, especially the one that is associated with your Gmail account. So take a look at this. Can this be a responsible brand link? Or can this be a responsible brand website, a brand that offer you 9,000 USD for just 40 seconds video, but they do not have a personal and professional website, product catalog, etc., that can give you a kind of belief? So please and please never fall for this type of trick right here. The only thing you can do right here is to simply ignore their message and at the same time report them as a phishing mail